These potatoes are dangerously addictive, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Some might say they're the best in the world. You might not make potatoes any other way. All right, let's get into it, yeah? Get yourself a bowl. This recipe calls for 1 bag, 800 grams of frozen hash browns, the little cubed ones. This is not something I would typically cook. This is not something I would typically eat. But my mother-in-law, God bless her, sweet lady. Her influences are very Italian, but she has these like one-off recipes where she cooks like, for lack of a better term, munja-cakey food. And I never grew up eating that stuff. So whenever I go over to Lucy's house, I always ask her to make something like this because I love it. I would never buy these ingredients ever. I would never cook with something like this, but these things are so delicious that I can honestly eat these potatoes for the rest of my life and be completely content. This is something that you can prep ahead of time. She usually freezes them too whenever we have like family dinners and stuff. It just goes right in the oven and you got a perfect side dish. So this is, she said, 1 cup of sour cream. This is bizarre to me. This is cream of mushroom soup. I know, stick with me. It's definitely a weird addition. I don't understand it. It helps with flavor and it acts as a binder, but we just gotta trust the process. And that's 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. I promise, it tastes better than it looks. It was 1 cup of shredded cheese, whatever cheese blend you like. Season your food. Let's put a pinch of salt, pinch of peppers, and this just gets incorporated like that. I'm gonna set that off to the side. I'm gonna do some onion. And my mother-in-law, she said she sautés this down. Sometimes she also puts it in raw, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna utilize the raw application today, just because I want a bite of that onion. I want something kind of fresh and pungent. So I'll do half an onion right in this bowl. That's gonna get incorporated in this as well. I think this is ready. So we got it incorporated. We need a pan. I'm gonna grease this up. You wanna be liberal on the oil because the last thing you want is this thing to stick. And we're just gonna get this in here. And we do wanna press this down, make it uniform, get those sides nice and packed in there. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna finish with another cup of cheese. So in total, I've used 2 cups of shredded cheddar. And we're just gonna cover the top of that, a nice even layer. And then we're not done yet. This is cornflakes. And this goes right on top as well. And it's about a cup of cornflakes. And this is kind of give it that crispy, crunchy element. Now, if you wanted, this is ready. This can go in the freezer and you can cook it at a later date. Or in our case, we're gonna cook it right now. So we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 for 45 minutes. And then for the last 10 minutes, we're just gonna crank the oven up to 400 and blast it for another 10 minutes, just to get the top nice and cooked. So I'll see you in about 45 minutes. Good night. I'm gonna call my mother-in-law and let her know that I'm making these potatoes. She's gonna love it. Hey, Big Lou.
Hey.
Hey, I just wanted to call and tell you that I'm making your potatoes.
Oh, okay. What a munch cake recipe to make.
Yeah, that's what I had said.
That's great, Michael. That's great.
Where'd you say you learned how to make something like this?
I was in a Mennonite cookbook that was put out.
Oh. Okay. When I was researching this, I found out they were called funeral potatoes.
Yeah.
And it said that you're supposed to use cream of chicken. Why do you use cream of mushroom?
Because of the gluten-free.
Don't change it if it's not broken. It's delicious. So,
Yeah.
bye, Big Lou. All right. Those potatoes are ready. Oh, yeah. I think we've got it. We've absolutely nailed it. Look at that. Nice and crispy on the top, melty cheese on the bottom. We're gonna dive into this. I'm excited for this. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna go right for the corner. Oh yeah, look at this. Come on, I'm salivating. It's like I'm so excited for this one. Oh, this is so good. Like something this simple, made from some ingredients I typically wouldn't normally buy at the grocery store. Like, I mean, you put this together in like 5 minutes. It goes in the oven. The oven does the work for the hour. 45 minutes at 350, and then we just blast it at 400 for another 10 minutes, and it just comes out perfect every single time. Like in the 2 times that I've made this, it's just been absolutely outstanding. Every time I've eaten this at my mother-in-law Lucy's house, it's just been like, this is the thing that I go back for seconds and thirds for. So a little bit of ketchup on this. I know. Yeah, ketchup, Italian, a little weird, huh? But like that is, to me, is like nice. If you would like to see me make the best homemade pizza you will ever eat, click this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like potatoes, subscribe. See ya.